Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, we are on day 2 of February. We faced day 4 unfortunately, but we can pick it up. Now, sequential digits. What do we have here? Basically on this question, you can see we are given a low and high value and we have to find or we have to return an array of numbers which have this how to say, which have sequential digits basically, which means that 1 2 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, sorry, 1 plus 1 another 2, 2 plus 1 3, so 1 2 3, let's say 2 3 4, and that these values should lie within the range of low and high. Similarly here 1000 to 13,000, 1 2 3 4 2 3 4, etc. Then 6 7 8 9 is the highest we could go, because if we have 7 here at the first digit, that would be 7 8 9, and after that becomes 10, and 10 is not a digit. We can't have 7 8 9 0 either. So 7 6 is the maximum number that we can get. And the next for 4 digits, for 5 digits, the 5 becomes the maximum number that we can get. Now next is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now what I'll do is we'll go to the whiteboard and I'll explain my approach, like what I want to. I would, what I understood that would go great for this question. Yeah, the question is here. Let's discuss. Now, if you can see here, we need a sorted array. First of all, it mentions that we have to return a sorted array. If you can see here in the question, return, the list should be sorted. Okay. Then, if they're asking for a sorted array, why not use a sorted array or a sorted string as an input? So what we'll do is every single input that goes into the result would always be a substring of this string, right? So 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4 5, 3 4 5 6 7 8, etc. Similarly, the last one, which has 5 digits, that is also a substring. We cannot have 2 3 4 5 6 because that is greater than 13,000, 23,456. That's greater, right? So we can't have that. But yeah, as you can see here, we basically can use the string as a input, and we can use this to create these results. Now, how do we follow here? If I were to start with an index here, and then let's say the minimum number of digits is 4, so I have to go 1 2 3 digits next here. So this will be a sliding window that I'll be working with. So 1 2 3 4, then 2 3 4 5, and 3 4 5 6, etc. Right? I'll go till I get my last sliding window of size minimum 4, and then if after that I don't have anything, so I'll come back to start, and then I'll have a sliding window of 5 characters. So we'll be working with that. So initially j will be 0 0 2 0 1 2 3. I'll just note this down actually in a different color. Let me remove the arrows as well. There we go. So let's take this color 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if I take j, okay, equals 0, then I'm using j and I instead of I and j. Yeah, I'm abnormal, but yeah, I would be 3. So the next value would be j becomes 1, I becomes 4, right? Then, sorry, j becomes 2, sorry, wrong color, becomes 2, I becomes 5. Okay, so similarly, we'll go on. Now, what is the last value that j can get? That is, the last value is 5. right? And I at this point would be 8. So there's a difference of 3, right? Okay, so I want to basically get the final number, the maximum size of it. So the maximum digits that I can have are the number of digits of the high value, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the maximum digits I can have is 5. Now, what should I loop over? If j starts from 0 to, let's say, a certain value x, okay, then I can slice from j to j plus I, right? So if I is maximum value has here 4 and sorry 4 9 3, then when j is at 5, 5 plus 3 8, so I can slice from 5 to index 8, right? So in this with this logic, if I were to like list out all the values that we could get, 0 to 0 1 to 3, then 1 4 2 5 3 6 4 7 and 5 8, since everything has a difference of 3, okay, I can assume that x minus I would be 3. So I want certain number x minus 3 which will give me I. Okay. Now, what is the maximum value of I? The maximum value of I is the max digits that I have, right? Here, this is the maximum value of I can get. So x minus 3 should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. Not x minus 3. Yeah, it can be up to 5. So x can be 5, which is like 8. So x has to start with at least 8. Okay. And let's assume I want the biggest number. What would the biggest number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same digits are that. So x minus because this way I will have to take j. There is a difference of 5, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x minus j here will be, so x minus I would be equal to 5. So x minus, sorry, x would be 5, because 5 would be the maximum value. 5 plus 5 equal 10. Sorry, the difference would be 4. My bad, 0 to 4. So 5 plus 4, that gives us 9. So x equals 9. Basically, we'll be working with 0 to 9. And that is fair because we have 9 digits with us. Also, if you see here in the question, the maximum value that I can be is 10 to the power of 9, which is 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. So this is total 10 digits, right? So we basically can have 10 digits at max, but this won't count because this is not a consecutive sequence integer. So what will count in its place is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the maximum value that we can get, right? So in this case, what we'll do is we'll take x equals 10. There we go. That's good. Oh, sorry, my bad. I didn't show you. Yeah, this was what I was saying. So basically, as you can see here, there are 10 digits. So 9873, 98765432 1, which means I'll take x equal 10. go code. Now, first is taking that num sequence. Okay. Next is we are taking x equals 10 and result is an empty array. So for I in range, how do I get the number of digits in low and high? There's a very sneaky way to do that in Python. So I'll convert the low and high to strings, and then I'll count the length of the string. So quite a sneaky way to do this in Python. Comma a, but +1, because that should be inclusive, right? We need to include both 4 digits and 5 digits. I actually lost my cursor for some reason. Yeah, there we go. The next is for j in range x minus I will take a value. We'll get the integer value of the splice that we are taking, okay, which is num sequence of j to j plus 1. Okay, good so far? Then after that, since we already have the value, we just need to check if it falls under the range or not. So it should be greater than equal to low and less than equal to high. We will, if it is, then we will append it to the result. Otherwise, what will we do? Nothing. It will continue and then we'll return the result. This is quite efficient. Okay, I did something wrong. Let me check if okay, everything is good. Okay, we fixed it. My bad, I missed this one. Hi. Now let's run this. There we go. So it's quite efficient. So called 67 milliseconds. Let me submit this. And accepted. It's 87.5%. And the space is quite good as well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.